Hey everyone, if your notes are not saving in Logseq, changes disappear after restarting the app, or edits are not being stored properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Logseq notes not saving issues in 2026. First, make sure Logseq has permission to access and modify your graph folder. If the application cannot write files to the selected location, your notes may not save correctly. Next, check whether your storage drive is full. Low disk space can prevent Logseq from saving changes and updating files. Another common fix is restarting Logseq. Temporary glitches can sometimes interrupt the saving process, and a quick restart may resolve the issue. If you're using cloud storage services such as Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, or iCloud, verify that synchronization is working properly. Sync conflicts can occasionally cause notes to appear unsaved. If the problem continues, try creating a new test graph and save a few notes there. If the new graph works correctly, the issue may be related to your original graph. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact the Logseq community and provide details about your operating system, Logseq version, storage setup, and any error messages you're seeing. And that's how to fix Logseq notes not saving issues in 2026. In most cases, checking folder permissions, verifying storage space, updating Logseq, and resolving sync conflicts will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.